With high pressure to the near continent and an area of low pressure to the west of the UK remains in the battle zone between high and low pressure. To the southeast of the British Isles, it's all about plenty of warm sunshine and temperatures already this afternoon at 26 Celsius in and around Greater London. But up across the northwest Highlands, under the cloud, the breeze, and the shower activity, temperatures are suppressed. But it is a fairly mild, muggy day across the board. But Scotland, as well as the north of England, parts of Wales, Northern Ireland, the Republic of Ireland, remains frustrated in this rather stuck weather pattern. So today we are seeing a peak in the temperatures across the southeast of England. We will see a trim down, however, through Thursday and Friday. The reason being is that we are going to see this area of low pressure make inroads across the northwest of the UK. What that will do is it's going to trim back the heights across more southern parts of the UK. So with a fresher westerly rather than south to southwesterly airflow, a little bit more in the way of cloud, we are going to see the temperatures rather being around the 27 mark this afternoon. It will probably be around the 23, 24 Celsius mark. However, the dip in temperature, particularly across the southern half of the British Isles, will be brief Thursday, Friday, because what we're going to see is heights come back up through the weekend. So this is Thursday, 12Z, and you can see here low pressure closest to Scotland and the north of Ireland here. Some very windy conditions as well as a lot of shower activity as well. Drier, brighter, sunnier across the southern half of the UK with warmer temperatures. And then during the day on Friday, we'll see another system coming through. But during the day on Friday, we are going to start to see the high to the south of the UK building once again into England and Wales. So what we're going to see here, I think, through the weekend is we're going to see systems riding the northern flank of that high, clipping the northwest of Scotland. Should be dry and bright for the majority of Scotland even, and also across Northern Ireland further south. England and Wales, we're going to see the temperatures rising, particularly across the Midlands and the southern half of the UK. Should see temperatures, I think, rising into the mid-20s, maybe 27, 28 in the southeast and East Anglia. Then during the day on Sunday, while Scotland remains right on that divide line between high to the south, low to the north, the temperatures in the southeast of the UK could reach the first 30 of 2017 so far. In through next week, it looks as if Scotland and the majority of the UK will be back into high pressure once again. So instead of it being the bulk of England and Wales that's under high pressure and sunshine and warmth, it looks as if the high becomes much more established, much more influential across the UK itself. And that means we are going to see better weather across Scotland as well. During the course of next week, while we could see temperatures rising into the low 30s, as opposed to knocking on the door of 30 during Sunday afternoon, we could be talking about temperatures with a southeasterly airflow blowing off a very warm northern part of France, low pressure to the southwest of Ireland here. We could be talking about temperatures into the 32, 33, maybe 34 Celsius range over the southern half of the UK, but also up across Scotland. We could be talking about upper 20s as well here. So it does look as if, while frustrated at the moment, Scotland, north of England, parts of Wales, and also Ireland, it looks as if high pressure is going to be replacing that low pressure through the course of next week, and it looks as if we are going to fare much better in terms of weather, warm sunshine, so on and so forth. So if you're vacationing, perhaps next week might be the best bet in terms of getting out and about across the UK. During the latter half of the week, however, the GFS is trying to push areas of low pressure in, of course, a lot of heat and humidity over the UK, so we could be looking out for lots of shower and thunderstorm activity across the UK towards the end of next week and into the weekend here. So it does look as if our fortunes are finally going to turn around. Have to get through the weekend, then during next week it looks as if we are going to be in a much better situation. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Have a great Wednesday, and I'll be back again hopefully at some point during the weekend. Bye for now.